So is Bitcoin mining worth it in April 2019? So let's mine away. Hello guys and welcome back to BitTruth with your host Mark Luther. In today's video we're doing another cryptocurrency mining video. Today we're looking at Bitcoin miners and different cryptocurrency miners, and we're going to compare how Bitcoin mining stands in April 2019. So there have been a lot of changes, guys. There's a new miner on the market. They have beaten everything, it's swept away everything, rendering everything obsolete, which is the S17 Pro and the S17. So 3 miners by Bitmain has been released to the public, and it has beaten all the Bitcoin miners in this list, by few points. So driving it forward, let's look at the S17 Pro, then the S17 and other cryptocurrency miners from other companies. So the first thing we have right here is the S17 Pro, 2094 watts, give or take 10%. Also you have 53 terahashes per second, give or take 5%. Also you have the efficiency right here. We will not need the efficiency anyways. For calculating, now the price is 2,366. Bitmain says it's sold out, but I doubt it is, because Bitmain uses scarcity for their advantage. It makes more money, just like other companies saying, oh, this is sold out. Once a new line comes in, everything sells out. But maybe it's real, maybe it's fake. Anyways, we have 53 gigahashes per second, 53 terahashes. Also we have 12 cents per kilowatt hour, which is the average of the United States. 2,366, that's without any VAT fees or shipping fees or tariffs or anything. 0% on pool fees, which is a variable. Also you have the wattage. Let's calculate. So about to generate 1 Bitcoin you will need just 479 days, which is really interesting. Now to break even you will need 481 days, which is insanely profitable. That's on a level of GPU mining. Anyways, 20 cents profit per hour. You have $4.92 per day profit. That's after electricity. Let's say you have free electricity. Well, you will be banking on a lot of money. Let's try this test. 216 days. If you're having free electricity, you're going to make a lot of profit. Which is insanely profitable. Now in the UK they're selling this miner via third party, which is called Coin Mining Central, in the UK, but they're selling it for 2,940, and I understand they want to make a profit, but that's a huge change. That's like $600 extra, which will render me nearly 100 or 200 days more to ROI. Also in the UK the electricity cost is 17 cents, so let's take this dollar, 2094 1. No, I messed that up. Anyways, let's go back to the same price. 1 second, and then this we're going to change this to 2009, and I keep forgetting, 200941. And calculate that. Now with 12 cents, 590 days, with 17 cents, that's in dollars, you're looking at 1,000 days. So I don't have 1,000 days to actually spare for this miner, because it's going to render obsolete in 1,000 days. So hopefully that just gives you an idea on how hard it's to mine actual cryptocurrencies in the UK or any European countries, unless you have free electricity. So this is the price. Let's calculate actually the ROI, or the ROI is given anyways, so we won't need that. Anyways, this is the S17 Pro. Now the S17 is much more better. I don't understand why the S17 Pro has less terahashes per second than the S17. Maybe because the S17, it's less efficient or more. Let's look at the efficiency. 0.045 joule per gigahash, 0.04. Also it's even more efficient. Anyways, the S17 is rendering at 2,520 watts with 56 terahashes under the hood. You also have about third party prices are a bit too high. Anyways, you have 2,159, which is everything rendered in here, and we calculate. So we're looking at 497 days to ROI, So no doubt the S17 is better, but of course you have to pay the price. But even though, you know, the price is even lower than the other miner for some reason, which is actually weird. Okay, but anyways, if you can get your hands on an S17, it would be really profitable for you. And 400 days, you know, it's really great, or 497 days, since, you know, at least you can mine a little bit of crypto, okay, before any pumps, you know. And this, you know, is all calculated at $5,265, so you're not looking at $6,000 or $7,000. Some people are calling out for a bull run, but I really doubt that will come, you know, because you need to be cautious. You need to always have plan A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Anyways, okay, so 497 days. Now the Ebang E11++, now this is why we're saying GPU mining is better than ASIC mining, because everything renders obsolete. Last 30 days ago, okay, we had, you know, the best miner on the market you can find is the T343T, okay, or the Ebang E11++, actually. And, you know, a lot of people were mining, you know, that's the most profitable, let's buy that. And then one night, okay, you got the S17 hitting the market. So this is why I hate ASICs, because, you know, they're really, you know, uncontrollable, okay, they change really fast. You have a lot of changes in the market. Like, look, we're at 43 terahashes in one miner, okay, 44, and we're jumping to 53, so that's up the difficulty, that's up the electricity. Also, the other day I had a friend, okay, contact me and tell me that the S9 are running, you know, on really cheap prices with power supply, but the S9 is really not making a profit according to this website, okay, and it's not going to make, you know, any profit according to, you know, the new miners that are coming in, because the S9, you know, 13.5, comparing that to 50, okay, and then you are going to have all these miners and mining farms and Bitcoin mining farms, you know, mining their way, you know, to making a lot of profit, and that difficulty will you know, sweep away the S9. So not a wise choice to buy that. Anyways, the S17 will render you at 497 days. Now the Ebang 11++, okay, 44 terahashes, 1098 watts. Now the efficiency is that of the S17, so really the efficiency is the same, okay, but the terahashes are different. But you're going to look at the same ROI, maybe because the price is going to change. Anyways, 2024, 12 cents per kilowatt hour, 44,000 gigahashes. We're looking at 593 days. You see, guys, if you bought it just, you know, a week ago, well, your money has gone to nothing. That's just the truth. Okay, the next one is the, you know, the T343T. Now, InnoSilicon themselves were really proud of this miner, the most efficient in the world, and they had videos and stuff. But then they removed it once the S17 hit the market, because they know they cannot compete with that. So they removed all the videos. If you go back in my videos to February and March and January, you're going to see them bragging about this miner, but not anymore, InnoSilicon. Anyways, $1,500, which is really cheap for a miner. Anyways, 12 cents per kilowatt hour, sorry. And right here, okay, did we miss any variable? Let's see, 2143 gigahashes under the hood. Let's calculate. So 521 days. So the best, you know, by far is, you know, the Bitmain S7 or S17, I think. Yes, S17, not the Pro one, the other one. Okay, it's much better, you know, to mine with that if you can get your hands on that, but they're still sold out. So in general, is Bitcoin mining profitable? Yes, it is, if you understand the market. Yes, it is if you have the connections, if you know, have geographical arbitrage, you know, if you live near China or anywhere that you have less VAT fees or shipping fees, then you're going to make a lot of profit, or less electricity fees. For example, in the UK, you have nearly 17 cents, and that's in dollars, about, you know, electricity fees, and that is not really profitable to mine with an S17. You're going to lose some money, and that's in some locations in the UK. Some locations are better, some locations are even worse. Okay, some European locations are 30 cents per kilowatt hour, so it's even worse. That's why when you go in Europe, you're going to see everyone driving in small cars, because everything is a bit too inflated in there, and everything is not, you know, everything is expensive, and you will need a hell ton of money to actually buy your way in the EU. Anyways guys, this is basically everything you have to know about Bitcoin mining for this month. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Click to subscribe down below, share the video, like the video, and see you guys on the next Bitcoin mining video.